storage. There's a bracket in the back, so it stays fairly steady. So good setup for a kid. Hopefully it'll hold up for a little while.
These are the side shelves that I was talking about. It's very easy to put together. My son uses his desk to hold his figurines. It was very light, very easy to assemble.